OnePlus just confirmed the OnePlus 16 is about to break a smartphone world record, and it all starts with the new 5 GHz processor. As we knew, OnePlus is packing the brand new Snapdragon chip inside. This would be the Snapdragon 8 Elite Extreme Gen 6, which Qualcomm just confirmed that it will be a 5 GHz processor. It has two 5 GHz prime cores and 6 performance cores on board. And what's impressive is that this will be the first smartphone chip to break the 5 GHz barrier. That's up from 4.6 GHz on its predecessor, so it's quite a notable jump. So overall, this will be an absolute monster of a phone for gaming. Now to experience that gaming performance, OnePlus is also working on a beautiful display. According to leaker DCS, OnePlus 16 will support a system-wide 165Hz refresh rate. For those who have a confusion, let me tell you, on the OnePlus 15, the 165Hz was only applicable for the selected games, not the whole system wide. Unlike OnePlus 15, which only hit top speeds in certain games, the 16 will feel that smooth across every single app and menu. But a fast screen doesn't mean much if the phone looks dated, which is why OnePlus is also shrinking the bezels to almost nothing. Yes, DCS mentioned that the bezels will be ultra slim. In fact, he says that the OnePlus 16 is still the narrowest 4-sided among the sub-series flagships. Yes, according to DCS, OnePlus and BOE jointly customized a brand new screen material called BOE X4. It's basically the engine behind the display, and it's designed to be more efficient than anything we have seen. Now, according to internal tests, the BOE X4 outperforms Samsung's latest M-series luminescent material in almost every aspect. Now that is a huge claim. It provides ultra-low power consumption, double lifespan, meaning you won't have to worry about screen burn-in for years. Extremely narrow 4-sided symmetrical bezels, top-tier materials and circuit design, and high refresh rate. We really have to wait and see if it could outperform the next generation Samsung M-series material that is to be used in the upcoming iPhone 18 series and Samsung S27 series in factors such as power consumption, brightness, and lifespan. Talking about the efficiency, the OnePlus 16 is also rumored to get a massive 9000 mAh battery. Essentially, they are splitting the battery into two to keep the phone thin while still giving you that massive 9000 mAh total, and this is possible because of the silicon carbon battery tech. Now we have to see how OnePlus will optimize this massive battery with Snapdragon 8 Elite Extreme Gen 6 and ColorOS 17. So let me know what do you think about this major display upgrade for the OnePlus 16. Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.